everybody. It's me again. Let's continue. If you are following along in the textbook, it is page 277 of the PDF and page 104 of the word section. Okay, so we are now going to create our alphabetical works cited page, and that is an automatic list that is created. And luckily for us, we don't have to really worry much about how and what order and things like that. But before we can insert that cited or works cited page, we have to just insert a page break. Now, as you can see, my show hide button is gone, so I'm just going to select it again. And we have to have our insertion point at the end of our last paragraph. We only have 2 pages here. So what's going to happen is we are going to go to the 3rd page. There's going to be a page break here, and then our words cited will be on the 3rd page. So how do you insert a page break? You just go to insert, and then here you will see page break. So what is a page break? It ends the current page and moves to the next page. So I'm going to click here, and you will notice that here it says page break. If I remove show hide, you won't be able to see that it is a page break. So if for some reason you have a document that has been created already, you have to just click on show hide to display these kind of things so that you will know what's going on the page. So it's breaking the page here, and it's going on to page 3 or the next page. Okay, so we just want to apply a style here. Now a new section indicates a new you can create new things, for example, new styles, new all sorts of things. So what we want to do for our works cited page is we want to apply the normal style. So we are just going to go here and select normal, which means we are not going to have the first line indent because our works cited will be from the left indent. So when I clicked it, you noticed that the bar jumped back to the left side and it's no longer first line indent. Okay, so we are back to normal style, and now we are going to go to center. So I'm going to click on center, and I'm going to type works cited like that. Press enter. Okay. Obviously, we don't want our works cited to be centered, so we are going to click on left align so that our works cited is going to go to the other side. Okay, so we are now ready to enter or create our list of bibliography. So we are going to click on the references button, and you will notice here is a bibliography button, and there's a little arrow next to it, a list arrow, and we are going to go right down to the last one, and we are going to choose insert bibliography. And if you read the little screen tab there, it says list all your sources in a bibliography or works cited section. So that is what we want to do. So you simply just click on that, and whoops, everything is done for you automatically. Now you will notice here that the second line is indented. That is done automatically. It is according to the MLA style. So that happens automatically. You don't change that unless it will automatically use the style or the whatever it is you guys are working for. Okay, so usually it is indented just like that. All right, so the next section I talk about is proofreading your paper. Now, proofreading is of course incredibly important. That is when you will pick up on errors or things like that you may not have known about. And in this paper, they are saying we picked up that one of our citations or one of our sources is not 100% correct, and that is what we will modify now. Okay, so we are going here to manage sources, and it seems like the last one is the one that we are having an issue with. And the last one is Rossi Marcel Enrico, and it says understanding how to use fingerprint readers. Okay, so this title should be not including the word understanding. So when we proofread this, we realized, oh, the word understanding shouldn't be there. So we are now going to click on edit, and we are going to remove the word understanding from our title. Okay, now that we've done that, we can click on OK. and it says the source exists in your master list. Do you want to update both? And you will just say yes. Okay, so both of them have been updated, so we can click on close, and you will now notice that the word understanding isn't there anymore. All right, it updated automatically. Let's just see if it updated it in our list. As you can see here, it's not yet updated here in our sites list, because here it still says understanding. So we are going to right click. So first of all, you need to click on your works cited. Then you will right click on it and you will say update field, and you will notice here that the word understanding is gone, and it is just how to use fingerprint scanners. Okay, fingerprint readers. Okay, so there's another nice feature that you can use if you want to view pages. What you need to do is you will click on view, and here is a little navigation pane option button. As you can see, our ruler is already selected, but there's another one that says navigation pane, and when you click on that, you will notice that you can have headings, pages, and results. So if you click on pages, you will have a very nice side panel with your pages like this. Okay. The next section is about copying and pasting, and I don't think I need to say anything about that. All right, so I'm going to stop here for now, and I think we are nearly done, but I want to make short videos, so I'm stopping here for now.